Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you might be able to fix the Chrome WebDriver can be resolved as a type error in Eclipse and Java. So let's get right into it. I am using somebody else's tutorial and a thread on Stack Overflow since I cannot reproduce the problem for myself, so I'm just gonna use this since there is several possible solutions which people have gone over. So yeah, let's just start from the beginning. So this person is trying to do automations with Chrome, Java, and Selenium, and is having a problem with the Chromedriver. What you want to do, and this is the code they are using. So what you want to do if you get this error, which is that it can be resolved to a type, it might be because you haven't added the adequate jars to the Eclipse or whichever development environment you are using. So let's say you can just go create a new project, into class, create class name, project property, build path libraries, and then add external jars to the class path from the Selenium client and WebDriver language binding, which might be what you need to do. Then you can just apply and close and try it, and it might work. The second solution is, even after installing, you might run into the errors if you install the jars. Then what you want to do is select the project and go into build path, configure the build path, go into Java compiler, and change the compliance level to 1.8 for Chromium or Chromedriver, and then just apply and close, and that should be it. But yeah, those are a few solutions. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.